Hey guys, I'm going to try something different today. I'm going to make 4 coasters, and I'm going to use the silver mica. This is a used cup. Ignore that color in there. Silver mica, lay down in the resin on here. And then on the other 2, I'm going to use the silver alcohol ink in resin for these 2, okay? Then I'm going to try dropping alcohol inks on both types. And I'm also going to add glitter on top of that. I'm not going to use any white pinata ink, to push these little pearl inks down in. These are my little pearl inks I'm going to use. And so I'm not going to use the white at all. I'm going to try putting the glitter mixed in resin on top and just kind of swirl them. They ought to be really pretty, I think. We shall see. Alright, I've got to go mix my resin. Talk to you later. Bye.